Hey everybody, today we've got a real fun car here. This is a 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Absolutely beautiful car. It is a Y84 special edition car as well as the WS6 package car. You might recognize this from Smokey and the Bandit. The Smokey and the Bandit car was a 77 special edition, but this has got the same graphics and paint job that made that car famous. So everybody recognizes this one. Beautiful car all the way around. Supposed to be original 79,000 miles. It's a 2-owner car. We do have some documentation that backs that up. The car's had one repaint and new graphics, of course, after it was painted. And that was done, I think, more than 10 years ago. There's some flaws in the paint. Let me show you here on the nose. The noses on these cars are plastic, so you get a little spider webbing here, some here. There's a little bit on that edge. Here we go. There's a little bit there. So it's not absolutely perfect, but hard to notice unless you're right up on it like we just were. Tires are good. Snowflake wheels, power windows, power locks. T-tops, of course. Gotta love that. It's got the rear defrost, power antenna, tape deck. Pop the trunk here real quick. Inside, we've got the original spares underneath the covers here. You've got a car cover that comes with it. These are the original T-top covers. The T-tops are inside right now. I don't want to pull it all out, but underneath you've got the spare tire, all the original tools and jack. Original stickers are here. This car is very well preserved. It is all original bone stock, hasn't been modified. Still has cats. All the smog equipment is still on it. This one is an automatic. Very nice. Take a look at the inside here. Key buzzer still works. Let me pull it out just a little so I can talk. So dash, very good condition here. This interior is just really nice. I'd say it's a 9 out of 10 on the interior, and I'm gonna give it 1 point off because there is a split right there on the dash. But the console all looks perfect. The windows work. The AC has been converted to 134A. It blows ice cold. There's your rear defrost button right there. The radio, let's turn the radio, doesn't work, but the antenna does go up and down. Right there. But the radio itself is not working. Probably something with the internals, be my guess. These door panels, very nice. Nothing there. Carpets are really clean. The seat is mint condition. Now the back of the seat has some covers, and there is some paint that has worn off there, and the other side is the same. It's not bad. It's just right here, and I think we could probably get the paint match and respray those. Very easy, very minor thing. Windshield wipers work, headlights work, all the lights inside work. The clock is working. It stays cool. There's no overheating problems. It runs and drives great. I've driven the car, gotten it on the highway. It's straight. These weren't fast cars, but you can do a burnout. It's a posi. This one, I think it's 273 gears on this one in the rear end. So you can get up on the highway and cruise. We do have the original build sheet for this car as well as the PHS report. Go around to the other side, look at that other seat. And we have pictures of the original build sheet where they were found, under the seat. stuck inside the cushions. Very nice here. Carpets are really clean. This other door panel, very, very nice. This video's getting a little long, but I want to show everything here. Nothing in the back seats. They're all very clean and nice. No holes, no damage, no burn holes or anything like that. It's a non-smoker. So very nice car. We can ship this car to you in an enclosed trailer. I've got pictures of the motor engine compartment on the website. Let's give her a quick start here. There we go. So pretty quiet, you know, because it's got the cats on it and everything, but runs really well. It's fun to drive. So give me a call, text, email. We'll get back to you as soon as we can on this one. You can do deals long distance, no problem. Really hope to hear from you. Love the car. Great collector car. And this one's ready to drive and enjoy with your family, your spouse. Just go out and cruise. You don't have to worry about anything. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. And you'll see more cars that we get like this, new and old. We specialize in both. Like the video, and you can follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. So thanks for watching. This video is a little longer than normal, but wanted to go everything. That way I can answer a lot of questions through the video. So hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.